Alright, this is the first lesson for lesson 20. We're looking at how to solve inequalities and or show inequalities. So this is going to start us off with that lesson. A lot of you guys should already be familiar with inequalities. Remember, inequalities mean that you're using these symbols: less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay. So the shark is always going to eat the bigger number, or the alligator. Okay. So that's what we're focused on in this lesson. So some of this should sound like review, a bit of it is going to sound new, but all of it should be getting placed into your beautiful brain. Alright. A grocery store is giving a reusable bag to every person who donates more than $5. So that means that you are going to be looking for ones that say this when we write them. So more than $5 to charity. Let X equal the amount that a person donates. Use words and symbols to solve all of the following problems about this situation. So here we're going to be looking at, does the person give more than $5? If they do they get a reusable bag? Okay. If it's more than $5, they get a reusable bag. It says Ella donates $5.50. Will she get a bag? Well, is $5.50 greater than 5? Is this true? Is this true? Yes. It's 50 cents more. We know because 5.5 is greater than 5. If I have $5.50, I have more money than $5. Daniel donates $5. Will he get a bag? No. Why not? Is 5 greater than 5? No. Because 5 is not greater than 5. 5 equals 5. It's not greater than. You can't be greater than something. If I'm 5 feet tall and you're 5 feet tall, I'm not taller than you. Okay? Courtney donates $1.25. Will she get a bag? Is $1.25? If I have $1.25 and you have $5, are you going to trade me? You're going to make money? No. $5 is way more than $1.25. Name 2 other amounts people could contribute and get a bag. We already have $5.50. So 6, 10, any number that's bigger than 5. 5 and 1 cent. Anything that is bigger than $5 is going to get a bag. To get a bag, are the amounts greater than or less than $5? Greater. Oh my gosh, you can actually read that. Okay. Use the symbols greater than or less than to show X is greater than 5. Well, I kind of already did that up here when we were reading the problem, but I can put it down here too. So X is greater than 5. Explain how you know when any person should receive a free bag. They should be able to receive a free bag as long as they have donated more than $5. Literally, if they only donate 1 cent over $5, they would be able to get a bag, because it says donates more than $5. Okay. Alright, let's look at our reflect page, and then you guys can get started on these concepts. Alright, so looking at our notes here on our reflect page, it says, a sentence such as X is greater than 5 is called an inequality. This should be reviewed, you guys already know this. On the previous page, you identified values for X that make X is greater than 5 true, like 5.50 or 10. But there are too many possible values for X to be counted. Unlike the equations we've seen that have one solution, so equations only have one solution. Inequalities have many possible values. This is how they're different from each other. An inequality may have indefinitely many solutions. So what this is basically saying is that equations only have one solution, one possible answer. Inequalities have many, sometimes an infinite amount of solutions. Okay, so that's how they're different. So it shows you what each of the symbols is and how they're worded usually when we're talking about them. So greater than, more than, above, x is greater than 5 would look like this. This one's different. When it has a line underneath it, it means that it could be equal as well. Is greater than or equal to, is at least, is no more, less than, the minimum. This is less than or below. X is less than 5, x is below 5. Is less than or equal to. So this little line under each of these two shows that it's equal to or at least or is no more than. Okay. Explain the difference between an equation like x equals 5 and an inequality like x is greater than or equal to 5. So here, this is saying x is only 5. It cannot be 6, it cannot be 7, it cannot be 0. X is 5. This is only one solution. Oh, whoa. I don't even know what I was doing there. One answer. X is greater than or equal to 5. Well, this would be 5. This could be 6. This could be 11. This could be 15. It could be 1,000. It could be 8. It could be 21. It has so many solutions. This has one solution. So an equation is always only going to have one solution. And an inequality can have many, many solutions. All right? I hope that makes sense. Make sure that you are trying to do your work before going and looking at the check your work examples. All right, bye.